Nail fashion is huge in Japan, and the boom shows no sign of slowing down. Fresh designs and colours appear almost daily. Today's nail salons have moved far beyond simple manicure and nail care. And they're everywhere, from shopping malls to train stations. If you want to decorate your nails, there's sure to be a salon just minutes away. Nail fashion is no longer just for parties and special events. It's now a regular part of life for women of all ages. I meet many women, including clients, so I'm always aware that my nails should look clean and neat. Salons for younger clients will even adorn your nails with favorite anime characters. Japanese nail technology saw a dramatic advance with the invention of the gel nail. A special resin is used that hardens when exposed to ultraviolet LED lights. The gel hardens quickly, so other colours and designs can be immediately layered or painted on top. Airbrushing can be used to create gradations. Different coloured gels can be mixed for a marbled look. The only limit now is the nail artist's creativity. Thick layers of gel can be built up to produce sculptured effects. And while the gel is still sticky, various decorative objects can be attached. Tiny decorations such as stones and metal suitable for applying to nails can be bought in many stores. Japanese nail fashion is now looked upon as an art and is renowned worldwide for its creativity and flair. Lady Gaga pushes the limits of fashion in her musical performances. That includes her nails, and for this she relies on Japanese nail artist Aya Fukuda. Fukuda moved to the US in 2008 to pursue a career as hair and makeup artist. At the time, women rarely used more than one colour of nail varnish, and Fukuda created a stir with her dramatically decorated nails. When I was walking, shopping or riding the subway, people would spot my nails and ask about them. No one had seen nails decorated like this before, and everyone wanted to know how to do it. Fukuda was working on Lady Gaga's hands when the same thing happened. Seeing my decorated nails, she got very excited and even took photos. Then suddenly she started sending me materials like velvet and gold chains, asking me to arrange them into designs for her nails. Moving on from her earlier wilder designs, Fukuda has started taking inspiration from the beauty of nature. Recently, she's been making use of dried flowers. I think Japanese nail artists have something of a cultural advantage here. We are trained to paint very fine patterns and to craft tiny, detailed objects. And the cuteness of nails like these is very Japanese, don't you think? Personally, I see myself as a performance artist with nails as my stage. New designs from Aya Fukuda and other Japanese nail artists are avidly followed on social media by their fans around the world. Nail decoration has evolved into an art form, and these bold yet delicate designs by nail artists in Japan appeal to women everywhere.